Hey Lawnies, how's it going? Get your lawn on. We've had 2 incredible weeks of 47, 48, 49 during the week, which has made doing this yard fairly uncomfortable, but now, oh, fantastic. Look at this, it's 20 degrees today. Couldn't get a trenching machine, so we're just gonna have to bite the bullet and do the trenching ourselves. The soil I've got's really good. If you're doing a new lawn installation and your soil's crap, you know, you'll have to go down 100 mils and refresh that with some sandy loam or something similar. I just got to get some of the rocks out of it. Look, I'll get the rotary hoe out, get some of these babies out of my soil. See? Digging it up just with a trench digger, mattock, a few other things. The trench is coming up really quite easy. Pulling out the material from here, going about 200 millimeters deep. Sandy. Easy done. Look at me, I'm panting. Right. Okay, so we've dug our trenches to 200 mils and we've measured everything up. And that's the diagram we're going to send into Reese. It's a scale diagram. But we also need to do a flow test. Our water's out the back there and we're going to see how long it takes to fill up a 9 litre bucket of water. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So next weekend we're going to be doing the irrigation install and the top dress hopefully, and the weekend after that it'll be the lawn, finally.